What is up, guys? Sorry I didn't post yesterday. So yesterday I actually filmed a sponsored video, and so with sponsored videos they have to be reviewed by the company, which means I can't post it for a few days. So if I randomly post a CT video in Florida this week, don't be confused. But today is my last day in CT before I go to Florida for like a week, and had to get a few things done. Got my hair cut, paid a bunch of bills, picked up my parts and all that good stuff. Now I gotta pack and we'll be on our way tomorrow morning, me and Donald, down to HP Logic. But I'm here now with Drew 2.
Hey.
What's up, homie?
What's going on?
And of course, Young Tuck, the star of the show. Oh yeah, you're grumpy too, you're bone. But went to the PO box and got 4 packages. Most likely they're all SR parts that I ordered because they're gonna be coming in. When I get back from the Ford, I'm gonna have like a pile like this. But let's just open them. All right, guys. So I opened 2 packages and it's parts that I ordered. One is this subframe mount piece right here. Basically just drops between your frame rails right here, goes through and your subframe bolts to it. Both of mine fully stripped out and basically broken in half. I was going insane trying to find these on a part out because they always get ruins. I happened to find the part number and I was able to actually get them basically from a wholesaler of Nissan, and they were like 20 bucks a piece. I know it's kind of expensive, but for something that always goes bad and trying hard, it's something that's really hard to source, I was happy to pay this money, and it's really nice to have it brand new in the bag. Definitely worth it. Another awesome thing is I wasn't expecting is I got a mic for my camera. Now you guys probably don't realize my audio is pretty trash, basically compared to, I actually use the same camera as like Rudnick and Tommy, and their audio is way better than mine, so I've been waiting to order one for a minute, and I'm gonna throw it on in a few, so if the audio changes, you guys are gonna see a difference mid-video. I just opened this up, and we got some more Japanese candy, which is always fun. We're about to get another sugar rush tonight.
True.
And sent me some M3 grill stickers. Give my car a little bit of fake M styling. I'm about it.
Patriotism.
Patriotism, yes. Andy K.
Andy, shout out Andy.
He said he's been here since 10K.
Wow.
Wow.
OG.
OG Andy. Oh boy. OG Andy. Andy, thank you so much for the candy. I really appreciate it. We're about to devour this in a few.
A few?
All right, guys. I just read the note. This is actually from a subscriber from NorCal. His name is Logan Boswell, and he hooked me up with some new steering rack boots for the 240, which is actually like probably it's a really good package.
Extreme clutch time.
I really wanted to get new ones, but I didn't really want to justify spending the $60 it costs for these stupid rubber things, so I just got hooked the heck up.
I'm jealous. Logan,
thank you so much. Oh, look at that. He sent me the zip ties and everything. Woo-wee. He's like brand new. Thank you, Logan, and thank you, Andy K. All right, guys, so we're not doing anything big today, but we got to get a few things done. I figured before I leave, it would probably be a good idea to drop my valve cover off at Logan Steel, because then what we could do is I can have the valve cover back. It'll be super exciting. Like, I know seeing that freshly valve cover would be so motivating to get the SR back together.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to grab that. I think I picked out a color, and I think they have it ready for me, which is pretty sick. So we're gonna head down there and do a few other things. You need anything? All right, guys, so she's all taken apart and she's ready to go. You guys already know what it is.
True.
The plug.
Logan Steel.
He gets love everywhere he goes. So.
We're gonna do a nice job on it for you. This is actually what we charge a little extra for when guys like Jimmy come in and start leaving, gaskets. That's like $25 just to take that gasket out that I just did. We bill an hour for that.
What is that, a state job?
These brackets, they look like they go to your sway bar.
That's exactly what they are.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that it's here, we actually have to charge you even if you're doing it yourself.
All right, guys. So Logan Steele's gonna hook it up with the valve cover. While we were in there, I found out my flight's canceled tomorrow, so that's a little difficult. But we're gonna figure that out. Let's see how much Young Tuck weighs, I guess. What are you guys guessing? Okay, everyone take a second and guess how much you think Tuck weighs. Oh wow, Drew, you were spot on.
True.
37 and a half.
I said 37.
That's okay.
We'll round down.
He's a fat boy.
Let's go, buddy.
All right, looks like RJ's here, and I heard Donald was here too.
There he is.
Oh, look at these two.
What up? Thanks for showing up. What up, Tuck?
Our flight got canceled.
I figured that.
Yeah, so I'm on the phone with them right now. It sucks.
Yeah.
Well, guys, flight got canceled, and the soonest flight on this airline is on Friday, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of going down. And there's no other flights available for the next 2 days. There is, but they're like completely unaffordable. I'm not trying to spend that. So it's kind of late in the day now, but we're trying to see if we can rent a car and see if we could just drive down, unfortunately. But it's late now, and no car rental places are open, so we're in a predicament. But we're gonna figure it out. So we figured it out, keeping you updated on the travel freaking situation. So DJ and I can't rent a car personally because we're not 25, but we have friends that are 25, so we're gonna get a car. Fortunately, the only place that rents a car this late is the airport, so you have to drive like 45 minutes north, get the car, drive back down. I still have to pack and stuff, then we're gonna leave. So, but luckily DJ doesn't mind driving.
We'll get it done. We'll get there quick. With no tickets.
With no tickets this time.
Yeah, Jim.
So, God, this sucks. But since oh my God, 2 more packages just came since I went and picked up the other one, so we're gonna open them. They're S13 parts for sure.
That was amazing. 25mm front sway bar bushings.
Sweet, that whole box was for this. These are sway bar bushings. Obviously, I need new ones, so super exciting.
Need a hammer for this one. Genuine Nissan.
This whole box. I hate when companies do that. Oh, is that my exhaust gasket?
Dude, I got a keyboard today from
He said
Amazon.
gasket.
The box that was $3.99.
Oh, intake gasket?
I don't know. There you go.
Yeah, if you want OEM. There we go. I guess today is a day of just opening boxes, but that's exciting. So, my buddy Tom from Motorworks in, I couldn't even tell you what part of the UK.
Gloucester.
Gloucester, is that what you're saying?
Gloucester.
All right, Tom, I'm sorry, but I'll. So Motorworks. So one of my really good friends, Boker, Josh James, Boker123 on YouTube. His very good friend owns a performance shop down in the UK called Motorworks, and I actually reached out to him to help me source the parts for the E36. He was able to source the parts for the E36 pretty quickly. So what he got for me is a new brake pedal, a new clutch pedal, and a shifter cover. Now, of course, when I did the manual swap, I couldn't get it because I only got left-hand drive parts. So they're here. So this piece right here, the shifter cover and the retainer, they call this a gator. You guys overseas, I'd never heard of that. We call it a shifter boot.
Do you know that, B-Hall?
You opened that box completely wrong.
Did I?
Yeah, that was way too gentle.
Check out his Instagram for me, guys, and thank him
I got
for me.
a bunch of
He
them
helped me
around.
out so much. I'll put the Instagram right here.
Jump on it.
Ooh, we got the Freshie stickers. I love it. Look at it. It looks so complete now. That's so nice. I'm so happy for that stupid plastic piece in the leather. That looks amazing. Paul, now I gotta put this goddamn door card back on.
No, but now it fits and it's like.
That looks way better.
Bye, cars. I'll miss you. I'll see you in a week when we come back. All my S13 parts will be here.
That is something to look forward to.
All right. Peace.
We out.
James, what did we just pick up?
Oh, God, it's been a few hours.
It's a Nissan!
Holy hell, this has been a horrible day. This happened to this happened to Rudnick a few days ago. We're going through this in Rudnick. I'm sorry. Okay, so the flight cancellations, I guess, had all the rental car places swamped, and so they raised their rates for competitive rates. So this costed so
Triple of what he paid.
triple of what Rudnick paid, because I asked Rudnick what he paid. I'm upset about it. This sucks, but we got a little Nissan Versa hatchback, and we're about to a nice enjoyable sleep tonight, and a 3-hour flight has turned into a shitty 20-hour drive.
I was so looking forward to sleeping in and then waking up at like 8, going to the airport, 3-hour flight.
And booing. No, tomorrow we're gonna see HP Lodge tomorrow at like 8 o'clock, and we're gonna be tired as fuck.
This
not
is
happy.
first class right here.
Yeah. We
This is
did
like-
have first class. Fuck.
Ugh. Well, guys, it's officially that time to start our journey to Florida. Not stoked. There we go. ETA is 6:36 instead of 3 o'clock, but it's all right.
That's alright.
Donald's eating an apple.
started to snow and rain already. And even better, Jimmy, you want to show them?
Ready?
We have shit for wipers.
It looks better there, but trust, wait for it.
It's bad.
It's bad. I'm blind as a bat. Can't see anything. Oh my god, the dude's dumbing. Alright guys, so I've officially been driving all night. I somehow made it into the morning. It's just about to hit 7 o'clock. The sun is coming up. I can't even speak. Donald just woke up.
Yeah.
So somehow I survived the night. I don't know how I did it. I guess 3 Red Bulls and a coffee is what made me through it. It's kind of disgusting, I know, but we're there. We're about 45 minutes out from the border, which is good timing. I'm about to switch with Donald, and I can't legally drive in the state of North Carolina. So it works out perfectly. So we're gonna switch up soon. I'm gonna take a nap, and I'll see you guys then.
Nice, man. Guy literally cruising me for like 200 miles. We're close. We're about to hit North Carolina, south of the border sign right there. It says 23 miles. I don't know if you can see that. Update on still sleeping. We getting there. We're getting close. We made it.
Well, I mean,
Look who just woke up.
at an interesting time. South of the shithole. Oh my god.
How was your nap? Nice.
This is Donald's first south of the border experience.
First one.
Isn't it magical?
Not
Everything you thought it was.
There's nobody fucking here. There's no one.
It's
like a ghost
It's
town.
a ghost town. It literally, every time you come here, it's a ghost town. What are you doing now? Donald, we're gonna get in trouble, Donald. What are you doing, Donald?
Get down. They're gonna
Get down.
It's magical.
Well, there it is, guys. That's our trip. We actually came for south of the border. Really? Wanna go blow some fireworks?
I do.
Alright, let's go blow some stuff up. Well, DJ, it was the south of the border, everything you hoped it to be.
Everything. Beyond my wildest expectations. I want to climb that. I don't think you can.
Bike slipped from a 10. It's about 11 o'clock right now. Our ETA for HP Logic is about 7:30ish. Now, we were planning on stopping at Adam LZ's house, and I was like really excited for it, and comes to find out that we don't have enough time to go to Adam's, hang out for even an hour, and then have time to bring the car back, and I'm not trying to get charged like another $300. This thing was so overpriced, but whatever. But maybe we'll catch him on the way back. It depends how long we stay, because he's gonna be gone for a few days, so yeah, I don't know. I'm exhausted, I can't even think straight. DJ's he's pretty tired. He's chilling. DJ's always chilling. But that's about it. Next video, you guys will see us hanging out with the HP Logic boys, doing some fun stuff. But for that, I hope you guys like today's video of us just literally doing nothing but driving and bitching. But there it is. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
In Florida. Peace.